Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. In today's report, we will take a look at the replacement of opposition MP by President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Second, the creation of a new official government gazette. Third, the suspension of 3 county commissioners in Eastern Equatoria. And fourth, a High Court ruling freeing 3 youth leaders in Juba. And finally, an important advisory to South Sudanese living in Uganda ahead of Uganda elections. Please watch until the end because each story connected to the future of the country. Before we begin with this report, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with President Salva Kiir Mayardit replaced opposition MP. According to the report, South Sudan President Salva Kiir Mayardit has made a sudden political move that has raised many questions across the country. On January 7, 2026, the president issued a Republican decree removing 11 members of parliament from the Transitional National Legislative Assembly. At the same time, he appointed 11 new members. All the removed MP belong to the SPLMIO faction, loyal to first Vice President Dr. Machate, first Vice President who is currently detained and facing treason charge in Juba. The government of South Sudan said the decision was made under the transitional constitution and existing laws. However, critics say this move goes against the 2018 Reply Peace Agreement, which clearly outlined how power should be shared during the transition period. South Sudan Parliament has 650 members in total, 550 in the National Assembly and 100 in the Council of States. These seats were divided among political parties after years of conflict with the aim of restoring peace and trust. The members of parliament who were removed include senior and active members of the SPLMIO. One of them, Joseph Malwaldong, is a well-known party official and representative in Juba. In their place, President Salva Kiir Mayardit appointed members linked to an interim SPLMIO group led by Stephen Parkwall, who broke away from Dr. Machar leadership in 2025 after Dr. Machar was detained. The President Kiir said this new group is the legitimate representative of the opposition and that the move will help prepare the country for election planned for December 2026. However, many observers strongly disagree with this decision. Civil society activist Edmund Yakani warned that this decision could increase political tension and risk a return to violence. He said the split inside SPLMIO combined with ongoing clashes in some areas is very dangerous. According to Yakani, Yakani also called on IGAD, Intergovernmental Authority and Development, and the African Union to urgently step in and protect the peace agreement before the situation gets out of control. Meanwhile, SPLMIO official loyal to first Vice President Dr. Machar released a statement saying the removal of their MP and ministers is illegal and unilateral. They believe President Salva Kiir Mayardit is trying to remove the opposition from power completely. This development raised serious questions. Can election happen peacefully in 2026? Is the peace agreement still respected? And what does this mean for democracy in South Sudan? Let's move on. Before we move to the next report, please, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. official gazette and new presidential system. In another major development, President Salva Kiir Mayardit has ordered the creation of a technical committee to officially launch the South Sudan official gazette. This gazette will be the only legal platform where government, law, decrees, and official decisions are published. The president said the goal is to increase a secure, transparent, and trusted system for sharing official information. The committee includes senior officials from the Office of the President himself, Minister of Justice, Minister of Information, National Communication Authority. The system will publish the Constitution and Amendment, Act of Parliament, presidential decrees, ministerial regulation, and government notices. It will exist in both printed form and online, but the public will only be allowed to read, not to download or edit document. The committee has also been instructed to publish all important laws and decrees dating back to 2011, many of which were never officially released. However, this move comes with new restrictions. The office of the president has banned photographing presidential documents, sharing signed decree online, broadcasting detailed announcement on state media. Only limited information will now be announced publicly. Supporters say this will stop document forgery. Critics worry it could reduce transparency and limit public access to information. The committee has 14 days to complete its work. Let's move on. 3 commissioners suspended in Eastern Equatoria. Eastern Equatoria State Governor Los Lobong Lojore has suspended 3 county commissioners without giving any reason. The affected counties are Makwi, Kapoetasos, and Torit. The suspension were made through gubernatorial decrees, and new caretaker commissioners were appointed. One of the suspended commissioners, Pole Benjamin Olum, accepted the decision calmly and publicly supported his replacement. He called for unity and cooperation. Youth leader Oreja James Liberato said the new commissioner must focus on security, peace, protection of civilian and development services. However, some citizens expressed concern. A resident by the name Alam Office of Musula warned that frequent leadership change can disrupt peace effort, especially in conflict-prone areas like Torit County. He pointed out that peace committees were already working, and removing leader may slow progress. Still, many welcome the appointment of younger leader, hoping they will bring fresh ideas and energy. Let's move on to Juba High Court freed 3 youth leaders. In a landmark legal decision, the Juba High Court has freed 3 youth leaders from Warab State. They were accused of defaming former Education Minister Awut Deng Ashwil. The court ruled that the youth committed no crime. Their statements were protected by freedom of expression, and criticism of public officials is not illegal. The judge explained that public leaders must accept criticism related to their work. The case started after youth group accused Education Authority of stopping students from sitting for exam in 2021. The High Court overturned an earlier ruling and ordered the immediate release of the youth. This decision has been widely praised as a victory for free speech and justice in South Sudan. South Sudanese in Uganda advise ahead of election. This is very important report. As Uganda prepared for its national election on January 15, 2026, the South Sudanese community living there has issued an important advisory after meeting at the South Sudan embassy in Kampala. Community leader urged citizens to obey Uganda law. remain peaceful, avoid unnecessary movement. Also, Sudanese cultural activities, including dances, have been temporarily suspended to prevent large gathering. Leaders emphasize that safety is the top priority. Emergency contact numbers were shared in case community members face problems during the election period. Well, these developments show the South Sudan is at a critical crossroad. Political decision, legal ruling, and regional stability will all shape the road to 2026 election in South Sudan. Peace, justice, and unity are still fragile. What happens next will depend on leadership, dialogue, and respect for the rule of law. Thank you for watching Changfied YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please, I would like you to share, subscribe for more trusted news and analysis. Biakamal Guasme, Changfied YouTube channel, Bana Raj Kequiler and Con Tilot Carodian Co Dekeling. Mi jirama jirit Guasme, Gurno Jin, Changfied YouTube channel, Bija support, to con Kalerishop Kongwan, Kidi to Conkeling. Laram nyama ban lengwa seme bala roja chalat President Salva Kiir Mayadit. President Salva Kiir Mayadit jen sheje SPLIO chakawuch. Jen ban linga Kenya mjele nyam ke very important. South Sudan President Salva Kiir Mayadit jen tiga ne tishagar. Ne to chagagar ke chine ngwan chiga tini chikan katich. Ka do badana garna kaja. Ka shanga baro ka paikel ronkin dangro jandangro bakel. Kwer ne Kiir Mayadit jen take order mucha yorpin order mo shene dan welkel ke tilaji SPLIO chaga joj ka Transitional National Legislative Assembly chaga joj ka che gotken chaga mu kene dan welkel kokien kane de kone cha wuj ke members of parliament and MPs kane MP no ti kane de konta laji SPLIO tin right first by President Dr. Machar Ten ken kala ke loyalist ka Dr. Machar jaga joj jaga wuj kacha guardian jaga kam ne kokin ne dan welcome lo content cha kwan gwaseme waken kanetin kon tin lane parkol la interim chairman yene de ti jaga wuj ne de kon la ne Dr. Machar che wire kumaka baden decision me chala de wa the decision and chakul made under the transitional constitution Kiir Mayadit diteleriek tungotu gutin ko medong tede gwajlana la ka wike but man chalat gwasme ke jen maledana chata in 2018 la revitalized peace agreement me chata in chenara jenu betika power sharing kam kuma Kiir Mayadit kana kuma Dr. Machar boray now Kiir Mayadit tejadak jenede konda laji SPLIO chaka woch kala da ne ko kenen ko ne chiti ay ko kuma Dr. Machar gwami mo ngeje no Dr. Machar tere ti jen South Sudan Parliament ware de wate kane de chop ko kudang bakalu jendang di ne de kudang bakal jendang di to kane de konti la members kene de konen tila tereje mo ne de kudang di wi de jendi wa ke ne de konti la National Assembly ne de core wa ke Council of State maden dial ke kudang bakalu jendang di tele ala South Sudan Parliament members KMP so tichirgati wacha da kare unono but che jojo gwan wona do budan da kaje o to korte katin kane de kona cha jojo Kiir Mayadit tiram kel senior official ko kuma SPLIO ramma mo chala jo samalwal dong ramma ngaike jen rami momala representative ko kuma SPLIO rewi ki juba no ci President Salva Kiir Mayadit cha joj kacha gwada share kamrada din kane de kona cha kwan chairman pai kona linga tama cha ga kam Ramadan la interim SPLIO group marwai ke Stephen Parkol ngai kon Stephen Parkol ka jen pai ngwane dan me cha dar kuma cha yen shu kan te ga dol ka cha kwan ala interim chairman ka gwada kuma cha ka chula do nene and position dan cha kame leave ne Dr. Machar leave jo gwada ba tam je jojo gwano ci Parkol cha tiai ke charo da wo ka kuma SPLIO barai na ci President Salva Kiir Mayadit chala do nene ajene ne de ti ke legitimate kan ji kan de ko right ke Parkol no kan de ko na ngat kan tam ko kuma SPLIO but mu cirga na me ngai kon diale en go Kiir ajen ba ko inkwar ba jalat ke 2026 ban ngai kona gwano en ko inkwar ba we go ala to kan dia lat ko rudin tene I doubt that ka kwaje dot bo ne dia ko ken ko ngai keten ko timbe ba lat ko rudin rewi ka South Sudan to kujamo en mu cirga na me eno wai kan de kon la kuma SPLIO wa gurga jeno kan dial ram la part of SPLIO with the pin Dr. Machar ke loyal ka Dr. Machar kana ti ay kan we ko kum parkol wara mo baje dil joj re kumaka ala president self kim yadit chodane diala konta leji SPLIO en ramte ko position ka te ka part SPLIO joja ka alo woje part SPLIO already re we ka South Sudan duno wote ga jom chalat gwas me media na ka Ramadan en la activist wude shal kain mun yakan ce joja jalat ajana to be warning ka decision da na chalat kirmi yadi da wana me be increase the political tension ka be wujbe jago be nyo murwala ano wo ka ji SPL mayo dial te ku mal ku kana la tan ke 2018 ka jona tam lat ka de koken re kwerka shin mun yakan jala do na me berem no kore ki berem ne re wi ka South Sudan so mu te cha de guje gwa na me balari ga long ka be country bulu re kur ka ta da na chalat ka ja ci yakane ci jawre ci youtube ka chole bondi alen kokin sit ki gat kan ji Africa Union kan bondi alen kono don gor ka malte cha malta nya tegatin ano kan de karodian malmat kama da le rode ki de kan stebin kuma kan shi kan wore an South Sudan balo ka situation me don me beje long bale leni gwa sedan ano de South Sudan de lo ka civil war na mani yakane shi mo gor jeno de ji gate konte kwa mal kwa jela tan de ka stebin ka pet kada kan kir de kan nyoko mu kana kata da na ce decision ke me kaje ko na me loje ne South Sudan loje ne kor ce jam South Sudan ka gwa chen mun ya kana ce roi kajen karin situation nan to ko tama ka United State ka jongle kan wi diala ko ken ka panal en go to kor tikitin so mu kan a cha ka capchong a cha me lat ke me kir mi yadi no wo je ne diala konti la jes felayo jene bu korbu ne jen bu ne jen ko mu we niam GSPL my official tin pin Dr. Machar no lat ken wo ne can watch MP niken ka members of parliament can illegal ka unilateral can na me che take a peace agreement edan according to peace agreement what deal they can share to power sharing then me Jordan gwa wo ka tem self kem yadit nyod jeno to kor teten ka ti je na ti na ga je ne ke je to no bi kuin kwar ba je lat ke jen ronkin dang ro jendang ro bakle me ba kuin kwar ba je lat in election ke che buto ka na me an peace agreement da na cha tan ba je lo da la tok ba wo ni am ka ta da ka je men teme ngoda bo etin mu ngoda cha bulo ina so ngum nyon na meje en South Sudan le la democracy le take democracy in teme ja guje na me che chong ko kir mi yadi jaram da na take power ko da de le ka wuch ke dar mal da jeno right now che chunin wo benetin kontla jitare ba ka dil wo ke me dan cha mal cha jetan ji gat ji Africa Union ken dial ko ken no mala be jene ku Dr. Machar ko le we ke je ke juba but right now Shikir Shenir kon la members of parliament KSPLI which kan dial che we ke che got ken che mo ken kon ni tiai ko kuma Dr. Machar ko nge jeno re Machar te re tije wana kala rawda President Salva Kiir yadi take Mishari Alika Mishari Gazette South Sudan official gazette jen a website Mishari Alika and website mo jen bar di al bagalatin jen share committee share form and about platform no ba ngot South Sudan mene kon la weke bagalatin and gwasmo jeni bla official website me ba decision di al ba ka publishing and as president Salva Kiir yadi chala do nene jen bala secure ka bala transparent ka jen bala trusted system mi ba nying government dial ba ka chirten la official information government official information dial ba galat ka jen website mo president Salva Kiir yadi chala do nene share committee cha ka kwan tete senior official ticketing co-office the point and president Salva Kiir yadi tena ticketing ka committee kone cha kwan minister of justice cha kwan minister of information and national communication authority ne di cha kwan gwa kel ko be kala me be kana la kan information kone ba publish ke ba la ke jen website mo president Salva Kiir yadi chala do ne na ba constitution and amendment la bon ngoni kan do bran la jelet ke je ba kala dan gwa mo kana ba latin kona la daga parliament ba latin ba presidential degree ne kona la woje ba latin ba ministerial regulation ba nyo mu kungatin awuna ka government notice mite mulat kware kim lat gare kum ba ja lat kan gwado mo ba jo jiga ne dial cikala da wona ne en website mo tin ba latin kan all information kana ba ka print bigate ka hard copy ka kan ba bigate ka soft copy nyon bigate online ka bigate in physical paper me ba kwen kana so gwada me jen joran jikana lat kan committee to wa chaga jugono ne ba bikin all the important laws and decrees dating back to 2011 niga winter kona la na wake to 2011 ne dia la wake ke degree president self kim yadi kan dial ba galat ka jen website mo so brand ga shwa wajik kanene to chala no bik let kill anyok chi president self kim yadi te de shwa jen gwal dan rajatin chi president self kim yadi yala do ne ajeni sha gurno ba ka photography ke ba ka turkan document in content la nying presidential document akan talam ba turka ba la online ba cha guru ba ka tur anyo ka kene ne akani an kan all the sign decree ba ka la online ba ka yaji katin anyo ba chala do ne teleme ba broadcast enonom kana announce kam ka jen website mo tidial ba ko na lat ken winimi ba ko lo nyoko noni gwanden kokin tikala do cha guru ba ko copy and signature dung president ke dung en lat ko mo cha ka bunong anyo chikan la do chi committee to chikin ka form big tik nin dang wel ngwan ba website mo ba je complete kan then ba je publish awana ka la radian commissioner dung Eastern Equatoria chikala do ne na chikan commissioner dang dok chikan ka wo magwe cha ja wo cha commissioner cha wo cha ka poida so cha commissioner cha ja wo cha turit cha commissioner cha ja wo adwa dan wo gwata me qui security ka ke peace protection of civilian when a development service but marat ke long chala do no ne me no ngari twan ko endor chal ga toride mo de tiji spela yo tikitin te dor wa kane to kon cha wo bane tila commissioner wa kan bane let kan chigalan mali kana to katam wo ke ba ne di jidin ba kale kwan ba la let chigan la do ne me no nga gap ko ne de ngai te chila dikan to order no won chigan to man peace process ka jan la kala wo chigan la no ne me la gab la wi no but chigan welcome no go cha wo e kuma kirmi yadi wana kan wandien re wiki juba chala do te ga ne de shalo ne de to kanetin kon te cha yen ka gwase che we yen ga shiga chalke awut deng ashwil jena wa education minister yen cha la jor ka gwase da ne shuwa an gwadamo misha ruling charge la da ko chika chenne to wodiok ya nan ga court she use committee chana la ran woni ko to gwalo kai court kana ujiga no kan wan tel ber michikana lat mente ka ke misha freedom of expression and freedom of expression watelere kana ran da review de da jala mi jira mutu yukwam a can kwa kirsa ne ji can lar ni jora as long as take position na titin buguni ja dobe de ndere riga mo men gujen men gukene no tiladi de je kapchonga jamo watelere freedom of speech key expression wai sa law cha ne to cha kamrar waken yana ke jen taida na cheke to je ke 2021 was melat ke exam ke je ka chala do cha student cha fenur jen cheke mone malaran education so jen dobe dan ko ala jor ke je barai now cha ne to cha lun chigala free take a very important message me cha to gwas me ko ne ko la South Sudan in tere wiki Uganda cha ka advice ke queen kwar me balat re which ka Uganda ano de ne dial de ka ro de reale ka ki de kan tere chine ken jan lera dan ban lingwas me Uganda cha la do real ka ro de ne ka queen national election ka jan chanka wel dh ka pai kele me to konteron kin dan yan ro bakel mi monta me chi do nin dangro biken national election dien bikeneto cha South Sudanese community tintere which ka Uganda cha kula advice and wona ne lera gwano yen sherudun dia let gwas kel ki bia jal regne atiri kan galat gwas me dol me cha dol ka South Sudan embassy re wika Kampala cha community dung South Sudan cha ga jugo wona ne do da ngoten konde yen ji Uganda rodin kake anyok jaga rodun ka jimala ana chwa ko gor ka tada ni kalat keje chikana anyo jugo wona ne bane a chwa jel you know avoid unnecessary movement and we gwad cha ala no ranchi jel anyok bani cha ne dial kon la South Sudanese community cha jugo no ne ken cultural activity ni kon la latke dance ni when katin ko kena kon lat kare which wa cha ga suspend cha goro te te balat ngare en ngar cha gor unless she national election dung Uganda cha kon talk women ya malungman cha prioritize safety dung South Sudanese community re which ka Uganda so na me chala da nyok chine ti chicken number gen ken ngun bane ko dong de randa re yot abu ka website tin konde ga jikten bu ka radio tamazu ki ai radio bi ka jiga to chala ro yen tai chingaran chi goro no bajal ko mi wi jal ka baju mo kerek chala ro na mo chele jien ko ngod dantinaten cha notice me chaje to beken ana wi dun ad shunka ran chu jal re wiki Uganda ko bi Queen Guardian but to kan ikon di ala no take a condition one lar ko din tin so ku jamone din na me di na lingo nona nyen jaw dana gorde nyaa yekel an biya tagamal mi jira mi jirit ku subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel bye bye